Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Windows version and that you have an administrator account because driver installs need elevated rights. Once done, download the correct Nvidia driver package for your GPU and save it where you can find it. Make sure to disable driver signature enforcement only if Windows blocks the unsigned files. This is rare but necessary on custom hardware. Finally, open Device Manager and collapse display adapters so you can watch the adapter appear when you install the driver. Run the Nvidia installer as administrator and pick custom, then clean install because it removes remnants that block recognition. If your Nvidia device still doesn't show under display adapters, use Device Manager's action Add Legacy Hardware, choose Install the hardware manually, and select Display Adapters. Then use Have Disk and navigate to the driver's display. Driver folder to select the inf. This forces Windows to bind the Nvidia driver even when automatic detect fails, making the adapter appear. After the forced install, reboot the system twice so Windows initializes services and the GPU driver fully registers. Then open Device Manager and the Nvidia control panel to confirm the adapter is listed and drivers match the version you installed. If the adapter still fails to appear or shows errors, reboot into safe mode and run display driver uninstaller. To remove all traces, then repeat the clean install. This reset resolves most driver conflicts and is the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.